Stigma and discrimination are among the issues one Westmoreland community is grappling with after it was revealed that the third COVID-19 death came from George's plane in the parish. The deceased died in Kingston at the University Hospital of the West Indies, but residents question whether he had COVID-19 in the first place. Shamela Pullen has this primetime news exclusive.
41-year-old Christopher Rankin was diagnosed on March 23 with COVID-19, 2 weeks after he arrived in the country from the United Kingdom where he resided. The British authorities have been battling to contain the spread of the virus. But after Mr. Rankin's diagnosis, he was sent to the University Hospital of the West Indies in Kingston for further treatment. Since then, residents say George's plane, where Mr. Rankin is from locally, has not been the same. The community is being stigmatized, and it's made worse after news emerged that he died from COVID-19. They're questioning if he had COVID-19 in the first place.
So I don't know, virus kill him, man. So I don't want nobody, I don't want him come black off Jardy's plane like Jardy's plane a virus. No virus or there, so.
So look up at somebody ask him so then tap text in from me and then say we live right in that area so.
This man me down at my cousin shop, you know, and the bird van a passing on, in tap the bird van and the bird van not stop. Five bird van saying not stop. No, we are Jardy's plane. And we have a headquarters shop right on the front. In front of the people them where they say they have it.
The family is devastated as they grieve the passing of their loved one.
All I know is that he has kidney problem, and she took him to the doctor, and the doctor sent him for test. Next thing we heard, it is corona. But one thing I know is that nobody that moves around him is yet to show any sign or any symptom of the virus.
His sister-in-law told TVJ News that since Mr. Rankin's diagnosis, his wife, along with 2 other persons, have since been told by health authorities to stay inside for 14 days. But they're still not satisfied.
No health person came in the area to question anybody. If anybody is having a contact with him, nobody came to our house. Nobody came to question or even give us any information. No one came since he died either. No one from the health ministry came here, to none of the neighbors, to ask if we have any contact with him.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
The parish of Westmoreland so far has recorded 2 cases of COVID-19. Dwayne Vaz, Member of Parliament for Central Westmoreland, where George's plane is located, said it is highly likely that other persons in the parish could have the virus and don't know it. As such, he's calling on persons to be cautious and take the anti-COVID-19 measures more seriously.
So I've been asking from day one, if you feel certain types of symptoms like coughing, sneezing, whether you have a headache, fever, that type of thing, or respiratory issues, please stay home, call the emergency hotline number and try to get someone to assist.
Mr. Rankin is the 3rd person to have died from COVID-19 in Jamaica. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.